The Omega Chronostop from the mid-1960s, a lovely timepiece, also known as the stop seconds watch. It's a single button which operates the chronograph function. You press it once to start and press and hold it again to stop the chrono, and read the progress of the second hand, which measures time to a fifth of a second. Then you release the button and the hand resets to 0. And today I'm going to strip down this movement and give it a good service. So we'll start by removing the watch from the case. And first I need to remove the winder for that. And I'll replace the winder so that I can align the hands, which will make it easier to remove them. And with this one, I'm going to remove the second hand off first. And I'm using a Presto tool here. And now I can remove the hour and the minute hand. And the dial is secured with 2 dial screws around the edge of the movement. So with the dial removed, we'll remove the hour and the cannon pinion. And now I can remove the balance. As always, before I dissemble a chronograph, I like to remove any tension on springs or remove the springs altogether. So that's what I'm doing now. And with some screws, I like to replace them so I don't get them mixed up. With the coupling yoke here, it's important to note that the correct screw for releasing the coupling yoke is this one, and the other one is not actually a screw, it's an eccentric, and so must not be turned. So we continue to disassemble the chronograph mechanism. And this upper cam has a little nub on the bottom, which locates with the cam. And removing the operating lever yoke, it's important to notice that there's a spring underneath that provides tension, and so be careful that that doesn't ping away. and the operating lever is secured with 2 screws here. Now I'll remove the chronograph wheel, and the chronograph wheel cock here, they tend to be quite tough to get off, and I find the best strategy is just to keep working it rather than lever it off, because there's a great potential of snapping the upper pivot. Now I'm going to remove the driving wheel, and for that I'm using this special tool, which is very similar to Presto hand removers. It's got 3 little jaws, which allows you to remove the wheel safely. And any other method, you can run quite a risk of breaking the pivot on the 4th wheel. So this tool is highly recommended. Now I need to remove any power that's still on the mainspring. And the click is located underneath the plate, so I thought I'd just demonstrate that. And with the power removed, I'll remove the pallets. Again, it's important to be very careful removing the pallets, because there's quite a risk of snapping the pivots on the pallet fork. So the key is to just work it out slowly but surely. On this watch, the escape wheel has its own cock, so same rule applies. Slowly but surely lift it off. Don't want to break any pivots. And the main plate is secured with 3 screws around the edges. And this is the 4th wheel. It has an extended pivot, which the driving wheel for the chronograph sits on. And the ratchet wheel is underneath on this model. And just remove the stem got the sliding pinion and the winding pinion to remove those. And before I put this into the cleaning machine, I like to mount the balance back onto the main plate. I just remove the click work. And the crown wheel is mounted underneath here as well, so we'll remove that. Now the screw is on the top side, and once the screw is loosened, the crown wheel will just fall away. The mainspring was actually broken on this watch. So now I've cleaned the all the parts in the cleaner. I'm ready to reassemble. So we'll start with the escape wheel and the fourth wheel, which has the extended pivot for the chronograph runner. The chronograph driving wheel. And before we continue there, we'll just fit this new mainspring. And they come mounted in this sort of blue disc. Actually, the disc will be coloured on one side, could be red or blue, and on the opposite side it will just be plain. And the interesting thing is, in most cases, the coloured side of the disc is the top of the mainspring, so makes it easy for you to know the correct way to fit the mainspring into the barrel. Also note, I'm using brass tweezers. Using metal tweezers here would be undesirable, as it could be easy to kink or cause damage to the mainspring. I'm using D5 for the barrel arbor bearings. And now I can secure the barrel cap. And with that done, I'll place the barrel back where it should be. And I'll fit the third wheel.